Hey, how's it going? Roby here. Welcome back to the channel. Today on wrist, I have the Atelier Wen Millésime 2025 Perception. Now, the order window on this is pretty short, and unfortunately, the watch arrived here pretty late. But if you're joining me here today, then you might still have a chance to get in on this before that window closes. But even if it is too late, and you're not familiar with Atelier Wen, then I suggest you stick around. I'm pretty sure you're going to like what you see. But let's just take a closer look. The first time I ever held an Atelier Wen, it wasn't at a launch event or an authorized dealer. It was at a red bar gathering. My friend Daniel had brought along his Perception. He handed it to me with that knowing look collectors give when they're about to ruin your evening by introducing you to something dangerous. I have since followed the brand very closely and even had a small role to play in the launch of the Ancestor last year. Over that period of time, Atelier Wen has steadily carved out a space that doesn't really belong to anyone else. It strikes a strange balance, and they've been doing it with surprising confidence. Which brings us to the new release, the Millésime 2025 Perception in 904L steel with natural pietersite dial. At its core, this is still the Perception we know. The integrated bracelet case and the bracelet are crafted from 904L stainless steel, the same alloy famously associated with other high-end Swiss sports watches. Inside beats the customized, extra-thin Peacock SL1588A. The proportions, finishing, and overall architecture remain intact, but where things change dramatically and beautifully is the dial. Gone is the guilloche that first drew me in. In its place is natural pietersite, a semi-precious stone known for its swirling mix of deep blues, blacks, golds, and even earthy browns. Every dial is different, which already gives the watch a more organic and less repeatable character. Atelier Wen chose pietersite because of its resemblance to the classical mountain water landscape gardens that sit at the heart of traditional Chinese architectural compounds. Pietersite is brittle. It doesn't like being cut thin. It doesn't like 12 perfectly placed index cutouts. Each dial begins in Shenzhen, where the stone is wire cut by hand before being sent to Guangdong for polishing. The challenge is finding the balance between achieving a proper sheen and keeping enough material so that the dial doesn't fracture. Even before that, the raw stone has to be carefully selected so that the colors and patterns actually evoke the inspiration that Atelier Wen is looking for. Millésime is a term borrowed from winemaking and refers to a specific vintage. For Atelier Wen, it represents a yearly edition that gives the brand freedom to explore bolder or more experimental ideas within existing collections. The idea fits Perception remarkably well. From the beginning, Alfred Chan designed the watch around cues from Chinese architecture, rooftops, window geometry, joinery, and guardian lions. Adding a pietersite dial feels less like a stylistic experiment and more like completing a sentence that was already half written. The swirling stone mirrors the movement and flow of those ancient gardens where water, mist, and rock created miniature worlds inside larger spaces. I find the caseback with its lion mouth aperture and the embossed stone guardian lion to be hypnotic. As the blacked out rotor moves, the lion's expression shifts from calm to something far more intense. It's subtle and it's a bit theatrical in a quiet way, but it's also deeply cultural without ever feeling forced. In the end, Atelier Wen continues to walk an interesting line with the Millésime 2025. On one hand, it's pushing into territory traditionally reserved for far older or far larger brands. They're using the 904 steel, stone dials, architectural case design, and also employing cultural storytelling that isn't just decorative. On the other hand, it remains committed to the idea that luxury doesn't have to be unreachable. The Perception and Millésime collections are proof of that. I think back to that first Perception in Daniel's hands, the weight of it, the way the lion's expression shifted as the rotor moved. It felt thoughtful and it also felt different. Perception carries that same spirit, just filtered through stone instead of metal and geometry. It invites you to look longer, and that's usually where Atelier Wen does its best work. But as always, let me know what you think in the comment sections below. And until next time, thanks for watching.